In today's demo, I would like to show you two new features request in HyperV vNext. This we call them solving operation problems. Those features have been requested from Microsoft, and Microsoft is listening to us. Finally, we get two operation features that makes our life easier. Hot add memory for static virtual machine and hot add NIC adapters. Let's start first by show you hot add memory for static virtual machine. This is a big one, as I said. As we know that Microsoft introduced back in Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1 dynamic memory. However, we can't use dynamic memory on all our workload like SQL or Exchange Server. So Microsoft is listening to us, and they have added hot add memory for static virtual machine. So here in my demo, I'm running, have a static virtual machine called hot add and remove. So you can go add or increase or decrease memory while the virtual machine is running, but there is a requirement. In order to use this feature, you need to have, of course, host running vNext, the technical preview, and the guest virtual machine also should be technical preview as well. So we will start by the little demo. I will fire up my virtual machine hot add memory. I will connect to my VM. I will enter my super secret password. We have a really nice little bunny here. Is getting ready to celebrate Easter. So this VM is running, as you can see, 1 gig memory. Under settings, you can see that this VM is static. And the nice thing that for static, it was a big request to even for static memory, static virtual machine memory, under memory tab, we can see the memory demand. This is really awesome. That you can see the memory demand for static VM, and you can size your memory effectively. So let's say I want to add 4 gig to this VM, and I will hit apply, and as soon as you hit apply in Task Manager, you can see that the VM get 4 gig immediately. Here as well 4 gig, and here 4 gig. I want to highlight that in this technical preview build 9.8.40.41, there is a little bug that sometimes when you increase, let's say I don't need any more 4 gig, I want to decrease it back to 2 gig, let's say. Watch here, sometimes this value will not be changed, so I will decrease it back. You can see immediately 2 gig the memory get. You can see the maximum memory is 2 gig as well. However, here, as I said, this is a bug. Of course, I'm sure it has been fixed in the newer build, so the VM get back to 2 gig instantly. It's a very nice, very awesome feature. Of course, you will get benefit. So the next big feature is hot add NIC adapters. This is all really, really nice. This is for generation 2 virtual machine, so it's not for technical preview guest. You need to have, of course, technical preview host, but the guest could be 2012, 2012 R2, or technical preview, but running generation 2 virtual machine. Let's say now we will fire up my hot add NIC demo. You can go in and add or remove network adapter, but the nice feature is interesting that you can even now, when you add a network adapter, give it a name, whatever, and this name will be exposed inside the virtual machine. So you can go inside the virtual machine under advanced property, and I will show you in my demo now, and you can see the device name for the NIC adapter. So I will connect to my virtual machine. Here I have VM. There's only with one network adapter. I will go now and add a network adapter hot add called ben. This is PowerShell at the moment, so only through PowerShell you can add and name the adapter. So add VM network adapter, VM name, of course, switch name to attach, name of the vmNIC ban, and then I turn on device naming. Please don't get confused. So device naming is not the same as CDN. Complete difference. Only we call it device naming. If you can go under settings, so this is just added vmNIC under advanced feature, and you can see now we have a new feature, device enable device naming. Great, and instantly we get a new adapter. So now we'll add a second adapter. I'll call it Charbel. Click enter, and here we go. We have now a new adapter added. Nice. Now, as I mentioned, it's only through PowerShell. How I know Ethernet 9 to which adapter and Ethernet 10 to which adapter? This is really, it was very frustrated in the previous releases when you have virtual machine with several adapters and you want to know which one to which was very difficult and struggled, spent a couple of minutes to figure out which one. Finally, we have it now easily through PowerShell. Can show you a very little command that will help you to identify that Ethernet 9 to which vmNIC and Ethernet 10 to the other vmNIC. So I will start my demo inside the guest VM. The PowerShell command is get net adapter advanced property, display name equal to HyperV network adapter name, select name device display value. So Ethernet 10 is for Charbel and Ethernet 9 is for Ben. As you can see here, Ben and Charbel. And as I mentioned, you can see the same if you go under network adapter properties, advanced. Advanced. Here you go, HyperV network adapter name. As you can see, the value is the device name get populated inside the virtual machine. Very nice feature. So now I will rename, instead of going and rename them manually, I automated the task, so I will rename both vmNICs inside the virtual machine. I will press enter. So network adapter Ethernet 10, this one has a name, and the name will be Charbel, and Ethernet adapter 9, of course, has a device name, and the new name will be Ben. So I will refresh my NICs, and here you go. You get Charbel and Ben vmNICs. This is really awesome feature. It will help you tracking which vmNICs to which adapter. So this is our demo for today. I hope this democast has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.